Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create your own Instagram reel using this After Effects preset. Before we get started, there are some things that you need to gather. First of all, 4 pictures. These will occur in the reel, progressing after one another. This is the first, second, third, fourth, and it will go on back to the first. You can also insert videos here if you like. They'll need to be short as they don't show for that long. Second of all, your logo, either in black or white, to put here the bottom or here in the top. And you need to install these 2 fonts. Here are some websites where you can get them from, but you can also search for them online. And just before we get started, make sure to open the files. You should have something like this, the footage, After Effects file, and the little how-to text document. Drag your photos, your videos, and your logo into this folder. For you to use, these can be deleted afterwards. These are just the placeholders. Then open the After Effects file, and that's where we get started. We are gonna replace all the placeholders together, completing the reel. First, we start here with the artist name. If you click on it, it will automatically go into text editing mode. If it does not look like this, it means that here within the character field, you don't have the right font yet, so make sure to download that and reinstall, or just pick a different one that you like. You can type whatever. And that's the first thing done. Then we go into the reel. If you double click this, you will enter the reel, which is comprised of the 4 images. In turn, you can also click these images again, and this is where you enter your own image. So what you do is go to File, Import File, and then get whatever image you have. For example, just the same one. It's uploaded here, and you just drag it on over. When you've uploaded your image, which will be on top, just hiding this one to make sure I can show you, use Command or Control plus to enlarge it, or minus to make it smaller. Make sure it fits the screen. Doesn't have to cover the entirety of it, but just the rest. And in the same way, you're going to go to the other images and replace these as well. They will automatically enter into this new reel. Next up, we are going to edit the bottom info. This is in the very bottom of the reel. You can edit the text once you click on it, so make sure the date's correct. You can put in a different text if you like. You can change its colors. And make sure to change both of them. Here, there's the placeholder for the logo. Again, File, Import File, and just drag your logo over here on top of the shape. So in position 1, to make sure it's on top of the shape. If you don't like the shape, you can get rid of it, either hide it or whatnot. Once you're done, very important, hide the black solid layer. This is just to help you see where everything is, but you don't want this in the end result. Now what you should have done is edit this text, edit the images, edit the bottom info. Next, where we go, in position 7, you can see the logo placeholder. Again, from the images that you uploaded, just drag your logo here. Make sure it's the right size. You can use Command or Control minus or plus to resize it. Drag it over to the right place, and you're done. Now that the placeholders are all replaced with your own logo, your own text, your own images, you can start exporting the video. Go to Composition, add your render queue, which will open this field right here, and make sure that these settings are ticked right here. So go for the best quality in full resolution. The size should be this, so this is the mobile portrait view. Make sure the frame rate is 30. Click OK. The output mode should be set to H.264. Video output like this, RGB millions of colors. No resizing or crops need to be done. Click OK again. And make sure you specify the output. So name the document, save it, and then this becomes usable, so you can click render. It will start rendering the video. It might take a while, but just be patient. It will start loading eventually. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to purchase the preset so you can just easily adjust things. But I also want to encourage you to take a look at After Effects yourself, find out how it works, and get creative.